Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a user account on Windows 10 computer. So click on start menu, and as you can see there is another user account on this computer. So I'm going to show you how you can delete the user account. First of all, you'll have to log in from the administrator account. So you can see I'm logged in from my administrator account. Now just click on start button and click settings. Now click on accounts and then family and other users and user 2. So just select the user and simply click on remove. It's just a warning. By deleting the user account, it will be all the data will be deleted from this user account. So delete account and data. It's done. So we'll check again. Click on the admin account and there is no other account on this list. So we have successfully deleted the user account from Windows 10 computer. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.